So here's all the stocks that I trade, right? Alphabetical order, whole year. Here's Lucid Group. What is it? Lucid, LCID. Bam, 5 Gs. I finally decided to take this YouTube thing seriously and get a decent camera. Huh? What do you guys think? Episode 30. I forgot which episode this is. It's been a while, guys. Thank you for subscribing. I know I should make videos every day, but today is December 31st. It's almost New Year's, and I feel guilty, but we had to do it. We had to do it on Lucid Group. I still don't know which episode this is. Alexa, which episode are we shooting? I think she's sleeping. I think it's 37. Episode 37. We're going to do it on Lucid Group. One of my top performers this year. But we're going to have a great... By the way, I had a horrible year. A lot of money managers had a horrible year this year. But the last quarter was pretty good. And it was going to be great until I made some horrible trades. But we still managed to make like 5 Gs from Lucid alone. This quarter was very good. We also played Peloton on the short and long side. I scalped the crap out of Peloton. Nordstrom, Gap were another winners. Tesla was a loser. Made some money on Apple, of course. SPY. Shorted some Bitcoin futures. Did okay on that. Mini futures on Bitcoin. Played Cardano. I bought Cardano. Anyway, what am I going off tangent here? This episode is about Lucid Group. Guys, if you're not buying Lucid, I don't know what else are you doing with your life. Like seriously, that's my catchphrase. If you're following me on stocktweets.com where I give weekly live trades, you know that's my catchphrase. So if you missed out on Tesla, this is your chance. Lucid went through this SPAC merger with Churchill Capital this year. I think it was in July 2021. It is already like 17,000 orders. Next year, they're going to start filling those orders. They have a plant in Casa Grande, Arizona, where they're going to manufacture like 34,000 cars a year. They're sitting on like $4.5 billion in cash, out of which $1.3 billion is in liabilities. They're nice. They're in a good position. I think the stock is seeing a major resistance below 35. I've been scalping at between 38 and 39 back and forth, but I'm also keeping long positions. If I see break above 40, I'm going to go aggressively on the options. But right now I'm just scalping and keeping some shares on the long side of my fund. Let's check out the website. Let's check it out. Let's look at it together. So here you go, guys. You come to Lucid and then go to Design Yours. There's an Air Dream Edition. 1,111 horsepower, 520 mile EPA range. Their Aero Grand Touring, their top model, 516 miles projected range. Their lowest model is Air Pure, which is at 77,000. So yeah, it looks amazing. It looks slick. It has amazing rims, crazy power, 1111 horsepower, 516 miles range per charge. I mean, what else do you want? If they drop the price a little bit, that'd be better, but they're doing all the right things. Their plant in Casa Grande, Arizona, is going to produce like 34,000 vehicles per year. And they have dealerships all over now. Like we have several here in LA and Orange County. Um, they have like 4.8 billion cash on hand, out of which about I think 1.4 billion. Yeah, 1.3 billion in liabilities. So they got the debt under control. It's just their free cash flow is still negative. Um, but next year is going to be the year where they're profitable, in my opinion, and they're going to kill it. And I don't think you're going to see the stock under $50. Um, yeah, they already have reservations close to 17,000. This is fairly old, couple months old. So yeah, Lucid is kicking ass. Keep your stock, keep your eye on it, scalp it, and hold it long term. One thing, guys, I wanted to show you the chart. Let's recap the chart real quick. Um, wanted to show you what happened in the last couple of months. As you saw, huge breakthrough from 20 up to 60. The stock almost tripled, which was ridiculous. I mean, that was bound to pull back at some point. But besides the stock having a major upside in November, the volume, increased volume interest. There's so much more volume and there's so much more liquidity now that the market cap is around 60 billion. Also, the options are option volume is off the charts. Also, if you look at let's look at January 22 first, and then we're gonna look at February. So look at the volume on 40 strike spiked to 5,800 today. This is December 31st. Um, another one. Let's look at February. Another good volume on 40 strike on February. 1100 volume. Open interest of 13,705 contracts. Look at the 60s. People are buying the February 60s. 15,114 open interest. Volume not as much, 395, but still, as the stock goes above 40, next year you're gonna see this 60 strike get more and more active, even the 50. But yeah, guys, always keep your focus on option volume because they tell you most of the story. If there is a lot of conviction on the company or not. Same goes if it's on the bearish side, you're going to see a major increased interest on the volume on the put side that surpasses open interest. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to keep this as short as humanly possible so that you don't fall asleep because some of you are completely new to options or the stock market. Subscribe, share, follow, and all that good stuff, and tell everyone about me and my channel because I don't make a lot of videos. Who knows when I'm going to make my next video? Uh, I promise to make it as frequently as possible, but it takes so much time to do the editing and the voice. Oh my gosh, I don't have that kind of time. Anyway, guys, Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching. And RIP Betty White. Can't believe she died at 99, right before she was about to turn 100. Sad.